Welcome to yet another video and episode on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Linux, Ubuntu Linux and the operating system. It is stacked with Fischertechnik Plus board, to which this white serial connector is connected, as well as an HDMI connector to which this monitor is connected, standby at the moment, as well as a networking cable for the VNC, virtual network computing, and of course the band cable for the GPIO, which goes to this breadboard. Connected to the breadboard is some electronics and some fischertechnik motor with propeller, LED, a phototransistor, and some ordinary electronics, which works in Python, more or less. And the more or less is the reason that I have skipped Python or switched from Python to C++. And the reason is that the messages don't work, not all of them at least. And now I am at the stage that I want to try to use messages in C++. And there I meet some problems as well. Also, one thing that I had using Python is a sudden difference in package version, because ROS exists of packages which form nodes, and somehow in between start of me using ROS in this with this stuff and trying out how it works, package version switch from 1 to 2. Who cares? Well, it cares because it turns out that the content of, for example, the file package XML, which is a rather important package, changed. So, how to continue? How to include messages, and I ran into a problem with that as well. So, unfortunately, this for now will only run in C++ when I get that done. At least one message. So until then, I'm afraid I would have to run Python in order to get it running again for now. So let's see if I can manage to solve it this time. Alright, so situation is once again that, well, the electronics is nice but not functioning right now. The board is, well, connected through the band cable, as I explained. So I hope that I can get something to work. It would be very, very nice. Now let's see, because this is ROS core again, which I incidentally forgot to start last time, but I was busy with other details, so it don't matter. I start ROS core now, and it still works, and which is not, let's say, per definition. I should say hostname Ubuntu, which is quite important because I had to set the hostname into the /etc/host file, because if you recall the 3 episodes ago, I had a massive problem getting ROS core run. So it does. And then time to get it running. Well, it does run. There's no doubt about that one. Where's the ROS run when you need it? Here. This is ROS run. Go. Alright, then ROS run for the subscriber. Because yes, it does run. Okay, let's make this sub. And it runs. Fine. However, there's still no message, and that is the whole point from last time, because I found out that, contrary to my early experience, a message should be imported from a different package, and I find that highly illogical. More so because in the tutorial it doesn't say it like that. It says, oh, just create a message and it works. Yeah, not so much. Also, tutorials online don't show that. And I have to include them here. With Python, let me show that difference again. So let me open this one and see for the difference. See, I import, which is actually the same for as include from C or C++. Import, and this says from robot_pi.message. You would say that this would be the same. Now let's see how I did it here. Yeah, I should take this one, sub, alright, subscriber. Now you can see it really. So here I import robot message, anything that is in there, and here I include the whole thing that is in the path robot_pi new robot_pi new.header. And there's another problem. According to the tutorial, the header file should be automatically created. And I had created it by hand, so I deleted it again. But then again, there are some flaws. So, okay, let's go back to C++, and this one, and this one, and say cat can make. Just a refresher of memory. And this will go wrong. There's no doubt. Although it finds 5 packages, RobotPi, which is for Python, RobotPi new, which is for C++. And there it goes, counting down to the error, and there it is. Oh, it is a warning, all warnings. These are all, those are warnings, not the real errors. And now it should end in a warning, in an error. At least it did last time. So I'm surprised actually that it hasn't ended in an error yet. Ah, there it is. And yes, fatal error. No such file directory. So first thing to do, how is the header file actually created? Alright, so despite contradicting tutorials, I am looking at CMake Crystal text, where I have to add message file, or at least I have to add into add message file RobotPi new message, which I did. And or more properly, I already had done that. And then using this, it should just work, or so they say. But let me go here. Here is RobotPi new. Oh, by the way, when I look at this, they state that they start with header, and then float 64 data. Well, mine is slightly different. Then I have to depend package. Well, that is a point, because in the tutorial they say you don't have to do that. Here they say you do. And then the message. And this one, well, here's the culprit, because you will have to have one. Alright, going back. Or more appropriate, perhaps VI. Header, and then int32 array data, int32 data2. Nothing wrong. This is as should, or is it? Let's see. Yeah, well, it doesn't say it can't be done, so let's keep it this way. Alright. And then I have here catkin make, but I didn't change anything really. So should I create a package with this package in it? That's not a question, because you can create a package and then create a message with it. At least I think they do it like that. Nope. Importing messages, generating messages. Here they say the same. Include. Here they say also in package XML. Well, I did. And add dependencies I did, but it gave a problem. If you are building a C++ node which use your new message, you will also need to declare a dependency between your node and your message. And I looked at this. And I followed this and got errors. So it is not always exactly the same. So whatever I forgot to do, I'm still forgetting to do and not knowing what. And it all is about this. So very annoying that I don't know what. Except that I can start all over again with another new message adding, which I could do. You know what? I do, because this can go on endless. Let's do that. Alright, now on this tutorial they say catkin create package and then some name and then standard message RaspberryPi ROS CPP. I don't mind. Behind this I will put RaspberryPi new message or something like that. So in here catkin create package. Then it is pi fischertechnik, because this is from fischertechnik, and then it says std standard messages. Then I add robot pi ft. I don't care if it exists or not. RaspberryPi ROS CPP. Right? Right. Oh, I should create it in ROS, in source. Okay, so quit, go to source, and then copy this whole thing, copy, paste, go. Alright. What has it done? What did it do? Traceback. RaspberryPi ft must not exactly depend on the package with the same name as this package. What? What am I doing now? Oh, I think it complains about me using a RaspberryPi because I already used a RaspberryPi. Not again, please. Oh, look at that, it didn't even create it. It didn't even create a package. So then ft robot pi or ft robot, I don't care, ft robot then. Go. Now it does. Alright. So I'm going to package ft robot. Now what is wait. What is inside include ft robot? Yeah, right, but what's in there? Nothing. 0. But there is no message directory. There's only a source directory. No. What is inside source? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So what's inside CMake lists? Yeah. That is there. And this is once again add message files, but it did not add anything. It is exactly the same. Like this one. So no message created. I will have to do that once again by myself. And the dependency is not a message that I made. So this has absolutely no use. Although what I can do, and that was ft robot pi, I think that I named it. But I can also use robot pi new. Robot pi new, I don't care. There's no message anyway. Nothing here either. And if there is, I will find and restore that. Oh, this one. This one has to be. Oh, see, robot pi ft depends, which doesn't even exist yet. So let me change this in ft robot pi and remove the new. Alright. So where am I at? I didn't change package XML yet, but I don't even have a source. And this is source code. So well, I can of course do No. Okay. Make dear message. Now I have created a message, but there's nothing in there. I have to create it all by myself again. Is this worthwhile the effort? I start doubting it, because this is apart from the FTRoboT that I now included. There's nothing else, absolutely nothing else. Should I stay or should I go from this? Very good point. Can't tell. Alright, time to make an end of this episode. For testing, I started the old Python publisher and subscriber again, and it immediately works. So let's see if this is working as well. Everything. So, oops. And I would be delighted if everything worked, but I don't expect it to. There may be some wiring issue here and there. Yeah. Although the pressing of this button on screen definitely is being registered. Does it have any influence on the rest? I have no idea. Because for what I can see right now, things are not working. That may be a wiring mistake here and there, but unfortunately I can't show anything here. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Too bad I can't get this to work even in Python now. If you like this video in some way or another, please subscribe to my channel. Give it thumbs up, like it. Leave a comment or suggestion what to do. For example, you can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation, and you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information on everything at the start of this video and in the description box under this video, with my website, how to donate and how to become a patron. For now, thank you for watching and bye bye. And in the meantime I will still try to get something done, and then it helps if wiring stays where they should be. And right now it doesn't look like it. No, it certainly doesn't. That is one thing. and pressing this, and no, I must have somewhere a wiring error here. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks and bye bye.